Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Okay, now we are going to discuss the basic skill and knowledge, and also example question of sketch the graph of cubic and their moduli when given a factorized form. Okay, this is important. We are going to sketch the cubic equation given that in factorized form. But before that, please take note that it is often easier to remember that for a curve with the equation of y equals to k times bracket x minus a, bracket x minus b, bracket x minus c, which is this is actually cubic equation. The shape of the graph is like this. If k is positive, what we call it set, come, then smile comes later. Set first and smile later. And if k negative, smile first, okay, smile first and set come later. Okay, this is how you remember how to sketch the graph of cubic. Okay, let's straight away discuss and sketching graph of cubic. Okay, so now example 1. Okay, sketch graph y equals to bracket x plus 5 times x bracket x minus 1 and bracket x plus 1. Okay, step 1. Okay, we do step by step until we can sketch the cubic equation. Okay, step 1, what do we do? Let y equals to 0, and then so we get x plus 5, x minus 1 and x plus 1 equal to 0, and then we can get each value of x's. So x, therefore x equals to negative 5, x equals to negative 1, plus 1, and x equals to negative 1. Okay, so so settle for step 1 and step 2. Okay, so step 2, when x equals to 0, okay, so when x equals to 0, so y equals to substitute 0 plus 5 times 0 minus 1 times 0 plus 1, so y equals to negative 5. Okay, and then step 3, okay, identify shape of cubic equation. Oh, sorry, not cubic equation, cubic graph. Okay, because of k. So from here k is positive. Okay, k is positive. So set first and then smile later. Okay, and then we sketch step 4. Sketch the graph. Okay, so what do we do? Y axis, okay, and x axis, simple y and x axis, and the value of when y equals to 0 is negative 5 and negative 1, so negative 5, negative 1 and 1. Okay, so what we do is smile set first and then smile later. So the y-intercept is equals to negative 5. Okay, so this is how we sketch. Okay, sketch the cubic equation step by step. From step 1, let y equals to 0, step 2, when x equals to 0, and then step 3, identify the shape, and the last one, sketch the cubic graph. Okay, okay, now we are going to discuss example question of solving cubic inequalities graphically. Okay, so now we are going to use accurate graph to solve the inequalities. Okay, now let's straight away discuss. Okay, question 1. Okay, the diagram shows part of graph for y bracket y equals to bracket 1 minus x, x minus 2, and x minus plus 1. Use the graph to solve each of the following inequalities. Okay, so for let's straight away discuss question A. Okay, from the graph. Okay, let me copy first. Okay, for question A. Right, for question A. Okay, so x. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, first what do we do is let y less than or equal to negative 3, and then so this is step 1, and then step 2. Okay, draw the line, okay, of y equals to negative 3. Okay, so we draw here y equals to negative 3. Okay, and then identify the intersection point. From here we know actually, right, to be accurate, so value of x here is 2.5. Okay, now what do we do? Okay, y equals to negative 3. So what do we do? Step 3. Okay, what do we do is look at the inequalities. okay, because of the inequality is less than, so what we do is we sketch, okay, under the y equal to negative 3, and then find the inequalities. Okay, so from here we know x is greater than or equal to 2.5. Okay, so this result is accurate. Okay, and then for the second one, let me copy first for question B. Okay, here is question B, and also the graph. Okay, okay, so for the second one, or B, question B, okay, what do we do? Step 1, let, okay, y equals to not y equals to, but less than or equal to 0, and then draw, okay, y line, okay, draw line y equals to 0. So when you draw line y equals to 0, so from here you can see this is negative 1, okay, the x intercept, okay, so y or x intercept is equals to negative 1, 1 and 2. Okay, so and then step 3, what do we do? All right, shaded the area, the inequalities. Okay, because of the equation is less than 0, so we know that we have to sketch, okay, below the y equals to 0 lines. Okay, so from between negative 1 and 1 like this, and x equals to 2 is like this. Okay, so what is the final answer? Okay, for the final answer between negative 1 and 1 is x is between, okay, negative 1 and 1. And for the second one, so x greater than or equal to 2. So this is how we determine, okay, the to solve the inequalities of cubic inequalities. Okay, now for question C. Okay, let me copy first the question, and this is the question B, and this is the graph. Okay, so graph for C. Okay, the same graph. And then now what do we do? Okay, let y equals to negative 1 straight away. So what do we do? And then draw the line y equals to negative 1. So this is line for y equals to negative 1, y equals to negative 1, and the intersection, okay, the intersection of between y equal to negative 1 and also the equation of cubic. So this is what we can call it as, this is 0.8. Okay, 0.8, and here, okay, equals to 0.6, and then last but not least, okay, x here is 2.2. All right, and then, okay, step 3, because of the inequalities is greater than, okay, greater than negative 1, so we have to shaded, okay, above the y equals to line y equals to negative 1. Okay, so for negative 1 and 0.8, so we shaded like this. Okay, and between 0.6 and 2.2 is like this. Okay, so the answer, okay, the final answer when the intersection between the cubic equation and y equals to negative 1, okay, the first one is x less than or equal to, okay, less than or equal to 0.8. Okay, for this one. And the second one, okay, I circle it, so between 0.6 and 2.2, so x is between like this. Okay, so this is how we solve, okay, the cubic inequalities, okay, graphically. Okay, so I hope you can understand, and you can do more exercise, okay, in my module. Okay, until now, thank you.